In this video, I'm going to show you how we can calculate friction factor in Aspen Custom Modeler or ACM. It is our equation and our objective is to find the F. Okay, let's get started. When we open the ACM, so here we have this window. Now we want to calculate the F. So for every modeling, the first step is actually click on custom modeling. So here we open custom modeling and I will click on models. Add model, and here we have M1. Okay, so this is actually you need to use this comment for defining your variable or parameter or equation, but at first we remove them. Okay, so our objective is to find the f, so our variable is f and we need to define it. Okay, so f as constant, and now we need to define our equation. So we have 1 divided sqrtf, okay, equal minus 2. Okay, here we have 0.0002 divided 3.7. Okay, and now we have plus 2.5 divided 10.5 product sqrt f. Okay, now we compile. Okay, so we don't have any error here, so we move M1 to flow sheet. Okay, so here we have the value of the f, but our objective is to calculating the f. Okay, so we run the model and here we go. So we have the f, so we calculated the f easily. So here you have f, you have the equation, so you can change the variable. For example, you can use m as constant, but it's have maybe the value. For example, we can use the fixed value and its value 0.002. Okay, so here we can use m. Okay, now we calculate again here. So if we use another value, for example, if we use 5 e minus 4, and now we calculate the f. See, so it is the way that we can calculate the f or any equation or any non-linear equation in ACM. So for the next video, I'm going to show you how we can solve ODE or PD equation also in ACM. And also for the future, if you follow me or subscribe, I'm going to show you how we can integrate the ACM with Aspen Plus or Aspen thesis. Okay, for now, we need to move to MATLAB and calculate the F also with MATLAB and compare the result with MATLAB and ACM together. Okay, let's move to MATLAB. For calculating the nonlinear factor in MATLAB, we can use F0 function. So here we can use F0. Okay, so we use our variable F. So we use as an F. And it is our equation, but in MATLAB, we need to include the right side. Should be 0, you know. So here we use plus. Okay, but also we need to include initial gas, so we use, for example, 0.5. Okay, so here you can see the value of the f. It is 0.019. That is same, almost same that we calculated in ACM. Thank you for watching the video.